Wrestling fans, get ready for the most highly anticipated match in ages. For tonight, Dextera Time Traveler Adam and Longcorp battles Sinistra Powerhouse the Big Time for a place in the TWF quarterfinals.
Two right there, Dick, and thanks for inviting me to watch this one with you guys. This match involves two clock-related wrestlers. Real nice, Colonel, what are you doing?
I'm building bomb shelter. Why do you need a bomb shelter? I don't! It's for you and Lordstep. To hide from time bombs and paradoxes. I am not so afraid. I will crush them.
Well, thank you, Colonel. That's really thoughtful of you. Let's get on to the match. Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, the thumb who always looks to send his opponents back to the future, wrestling for the mighty Dexteras, Adam Alarm Clock.
A rapidly rising star among the Dexteras and a fan favorite throughout history, Adam Alarm Clock's matches always seem destined to shake the very foundations of time itself.
No wonder he's apparently replaced Danny Kaduna's Dextera's 8th in command. After Superstar replaced Clete Cunningham as the 6th, his first act was to promote Adam as well as recognition of his last season.
You have his own bomb shelter!
And in this corner, tick-tock this guy's clock, your world he will rock for the Sinistras, the Big Time!
The Big Time looks bigger than ever, folks.
One of the most powerful Sinistras to ever enter the ring, but at what charm!
The Big Time is no bomb shelter! Oh yeah! Back, baby! How big am I? Hey, yeah, you know it! And what time is it? Time! Yeah! And don't you forget it. And what time's it about to be? The Big Time! Oh, right, sissies, what you want to lollipop? Yeah.
Dexteras, Sinistras, thumbs up, throwdown! Lock 'em up!
4, 3, 2, 1, who will be the strongest thumb? And Adam Longcock's out first with Starlight Stunner. Ooh, and now the Big Time is with the Tennessee Twister. For the Vulcan, the Moose, one of Huck's favorites. It doesn't matter what you try, Big Time. Adam Longcock ain't forward to the likes of you. Top targeting those little punk boots you got there. The Big Time removed the Big Time, baby. And I ain't letting up so you can stand a chance. You know, using Big Time as your name and an adjective isn't all that clever. Well, leave us the name Alarm Clock. He's got a point, but it's not too bad, I guess. Oh, screw the tough talk.
Go Dexteras!
Oh, you got? I'm good, no hard time to show us what you got. So Big Time, ready for a repeat performance? The Big Time don't do no repeat performances, turkey! What about that rematch against Mr. Extremo? Besides that, whoa, and the Big Time goes for a hard blow to the jaw, but Adam Longcock whoops out of the way just at the last second. And I brought a few friends with me.
My goodness, Velociraptors! Adam Alarm Clock uses his time powers to generate a squad of dinosaurs into the ring.
I got on something Gorgachomp did.
Gorgachomp like Clockman's idea. Gorgachomp make none of that.
Mick, I'm certain that you can't read, eh?
That might be true, but that no mean Gorgachomp not right.
I'll have it, you high-plucked turkeys. The Big Time uses his legendary strength to create an earthquake to dispatch the Velociraptors.
Ugh, that shook the entire building.
Doesn't matter what you bring to me. The Big Time ain't losing to a pipsqueak like you. I beg to differ, Big Time. Hurricane, the Big Time gets trampled by a Triceratops.
Oh, that's gotta smart.
We are now approaching the final attraction of this Jurassic tour. Please keep all limbs inside the vehicle so as to not attract the T-Rex. Are you for real right now? Hey, you couldn't bring an army of dinos and ignore the most iconic, did you? The T-Rex lunges at the Big Time. The Big Time punches the T-Rex right through the roof! Right. Only one thing for it. I was hoping to wait until later to say this, but it's time for me to stop your clock, Big Time! It looks like I'm Longcock's going for an early clock stopper! Tick-tock goes the clock, cradle and increase stroke. Tick-tock goes the clock! Time to look at this, Cinnies! Oh, that's good and smart! The Big Time calls time out on the clock stopper! Oh, I didn't see that one coming, did you, punk? That was a pretty solid blow from the big time there. I don't know if Animal Warcock's going to be able to continue after that one. Maybe he needs his own bomb shelter.
Not sure that would cut the mustard against this massive mountain of muscle that is the Sinistra's most powerful contender.
On for round 3! Oh, my back. Ugh. Come on, Azan. I will soldier on. Ain't enough life left in you to soldier anywhere. You're likely internal bleeding and soon to pass out. Even now you can barely stand. I think it's time for you to get a timeout, boy. What time is it? It's time for the time bomb! The deadly time bomb! He's winding up!
No, Colonel, he's counting down.
5, 4, 3, 2! The time bomb! The time bomb strikes! The big time wins it! Sweet music's in my ears. Who dropped it? Yes! Well, one thing is clear, folks. With a wrestler like the big time on their side, the Sinistras are just about impossible to beat. I haven't seen a wrestler dominate like that since Bahura Guru's explosive 1974 season.
Gee, and I was certain that Adam Alarm Clock was going to win tonight. Guess I owe you $50, Colonel.
Nobody can beat the big time. He dominates it every season. Usually. Good night, TWF fans.